So we start off today's video with a DIY pillow. Now she's adding like some fabric to it. It looks like a feather. Oh wow, really cute design. Loving the pearls down the middle as well. It accented her theme within her room so beautifully. Oh, she has got a big bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone that looks like they might be doing a pillowcase, some type of pillow design. Don't quote me on that because I could be totally wrong, but I'm just guessing. So I don't speak Spanish, but she has some cardboard here and some yarn. Looks like she's making tassels. So not tassels. Oh, wow. Really cool pillow. Is that how you do that? With the cardboard and the wow. That's crazy. I'm still like trying to figure out what the heck I just watched, but really cool pillow design. Then we have a cute little pot here. So it looks like these are stickers and she simply just put these on. Okay, so is this supposed to be like a table tray of some sort? Oh, so she's using that as like a big coaster. Okay, that's interesting. Ooh, look at those nails. I know that's got to be hard doing this with all those nails. So she's doing like the French look and putting it around the pot. Oh, that's cute. Nice little way to make it more that like bohemian style. I think she might be making a table tray with this next DIY. Or a decorative box. Oh, I love the detailing. Oh, a toilet paper holder. That's cool. Very nice. Floating candle DIY with flowers. Oh, that is so gorgeous. That would be a simple wedding DIY too. Or you can make like a nice little spring inspired decor centerpiece like she has here. That's really pretty. Then we have some cardboard and old paper towel holder. Oh wow, what a cool vase. Dollar store DIY. Spent $13 on this project. Oh, so she's spraying. Wow. Oh, I love all these different gold vase arrangements. This is so pretty. Oh, she is going gold, gold, gold for this decor scheme. Love it. Alright, so we got some self-adhesive tiles doing the backsplash. Very nice, simple, easy DIY project. If you get the stick-ons, those are pretty easy. How to reuse a candle. With the old label with warm water. Melt the wax. I keep on saying I'm going to do this and then I totally forget. Oh, does she sell these? Or no, that's just for herself. So she labels them for herself. That's cute. Very nice. We've seen this vase hack before. Then we have some cardboard here, wooden sticks. Oh, they must be making a lantern or a planter. I'm gonna go with planter. Oh, maybe just a basket. Wow. That looks so well crafted and oh wow. So you could use it as a planter or a basket. Either way. And we have some pencils, spray painting it bronze. It's a really pretty bronze shade. Oh, she's making like the Cher pencils from the movie Clueless. This is what it reminds me of. I actually had some of those in grade school. It's cute. It's a cute little DIY. Oh, that's like rose gold actually. Like a really pretty bronzy rose gold shade. Alright, so we got some rings. Those look like shower rings to me. A photo frame. Spray painted gold. A nice table tray. So this next DIY is probably going to be a mirror design. Popsicle sticks. Wooden balls. Spray painted. Did she spray paint that? I can't tell. Okay. Because I thought she was going to do silver, but I guess not. Then we have another vase DIY. Oh, so pretty. That's like perfect for spring. I love the color scheme. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of today's DIY projects. If you want to see even more, you can check out this video next.